Hi, and welcome. Today we're going to learn about the Real Presence Desktop, how to configure it, and how to use it. Real Presence Desktop, or RPD, is used to make video calls right from your laptop. Let's start by configuring the application. To start the Real Presence Desktop application, double-click the Real Presence icon on your desktop. If the icon is not visible, click on the Start button and navigate to the All Programs list. Find and click on the Polycom folder, and then select the RPD folder, and finally click on the RPD application. Before configuring, make sure you are connected by a wired connection in the New York, DC, Baltimore, London, or Budapest office. RPD will not work on Wi-Fi. Now let's start the configuration process. Configuration only needs to be done one time. First, enter your OSF email address and click on Next. On this page, we will need to enter the server name, our domain and Windows username, and our Windows password. Please take a moment to observe the settings. When you're done entering the configuration info, click on Sign In and click Yes on the security pop-up. Now that we have configured RPD, we are ready to make a call. Let's start by calling another coworker. Click on the directory search icon in the upper right-hand corner and type in the name of the coworker you wish to call, then press the Enter key on your keyboard. Click on the arrow next to the name, followed by the RPD call button.
Didn't see you there, Mark. How you doing?
How you doing?
Pretty well. I'm doing pretty well. I just got this Real Presence desktop application, but I don't know how to use it. I see all these icons. I don't know how they work. Maybe you could help me out with that.
Sure. That's not a problem, Andre. Let's go through some of the useful features in our RPD application. The first useful feature we'll see at the bottom left here is the pause video icon. This will stop showing our camera in case we wanted some more privacy during our call. Next to that, we have the mute microphone icon. We can use this if we didn't want to disturb a presentation already in progress, or if we wanted to have a side conversation and didn't want the other people connected hearing us. Next to that, we have the adjust volume lever. This will simply adjust the volume up and down to your listening pleasure. Towards the right of our screen, we have the Share Content button. We can share content either our whole screen, or we can just share a specific application, such as a PowerPoint, if we're working on a presentation and wanted everyone in the call to see it. Next to that, we have the keypad icon. If we had to enter any touch tones while we were already connected, this is the icon we would use. Those are the major icon features in the RPD application. There is one left though. When you're done with the call, you can always click on the red hang up button and your call will be disconnected.
Awesome, Mark. Now I understand Real Presence Desktop. Thank you.
You can call into a conference room by typing the number or name of the conference room in the search directory box, the same way we search for an employee. Before we come to a close, we want to leave you with some tips so you can have a successful video call from your laptop with RPD. You must be connected by a wired connection at an OSF location in New York, DC, Baltimore, London, or the Budapest office to use Real Presence. It will not work on Wi-Fi. If calling another employee, be sure they are signed into the Real Presence application first, or else they will not be able to receive the call. If you are traveling or working from home and need video conferencing, BlueJeans will be the best option. Real Presence will not work outside of OSF's wired network. You can only call out to one employee at a time. The only way to have a multi-party conference with 3 or more participants is if you are joining a call in a conference room. If using RPD in an open area, it is best to use a headset so you won't disturb your neighbors. This will also improve sound quality and reduce any echoing. Placing a call from a huddle room is another good option if you don't want to disturb your neighbors. Thanks for watching the Real Presence desktop presentation. We hope you like it and hope to see you out there in Videoland.